I've been driving towards this little blue spot on the horizon for what seems like forever. It's 57 degrees and it's just enough mist to make everything wet. Hooray. It was 56 miles turn right, 109 miles turn left, and then it's gonna be about 40 miles turn right and then another 200 until I'm home. Bro. 46 miles later, I'm out of that rain and it's 64 degrees now, and I'm in Werner, one of the two, South Dakota. I'm gonna have lunch now that I don't have to eat it in a drizzle. So 199 miles left to get home. Today's been pretty crappy. Hey, I know that there's gas stations between here and home, but I don't want this Rotopax gas to get too old. And also, if I just stop and stretch and fill up now, I won't have to stop again until I'm at my garage. So I'm just going to do that because I'm sick of this ride. Like, super sick of it. Today has sucked the entire day. It's been windy and cold and boring. I mean, this is a boring part of South Dakota. You can't really get around that, but I got my counties. Not every trip is going to be a winner, and not every road is going to be interesting, especially with what I'm trying to do. But make the most of it. If everything went perfect, your stories would be really boring. $525.9 miles for the day. 450 of that was rain or constant light drizzle. And I can't believe this, but as soon as I pull up and stop, it starts spitting rain again. But overall, any time I get to take a trip on the bike is a good time.